In this video, I'll show you how to remove facial verification on Binance. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. First thing that you need to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description, and by using my link, you'll get a welcome bonus as well as a discount on your trading fees. After you've logged into your account, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and we're going to go right over here to the top left-hand corner and click on these three lines. After you've done that, you're going to come to a page that looks like this, and you're going to go right over here and click on your profile, and that's going to bring you to your account center. Once you're in your account center, you're going to have these four options, which is VIP privilege, verifications, security, and Twitter. Go ahead and tap on security. And once you're in security, in order to remove facial verification, you're going to want to go over here where it says passkeys and biometrics. So tap on that. That'll bring you to the passkeys and biometrics section. You can go right over here to the right of where it says must verify using passkeys for important scenarios. Go ahead and toggle that off if you have it on, or if you want to delete it permanently, you go right over here next to the biometrics that you have enabled, click on the trash bin, and you'll have this pop up where it asks you if you're sure you want to remove your passkey. Go ahead and tap on continue. It's going to ask you to sign into Binance with your saved passkey in order to move forward. Go ahead and do that. Now it's successfully deleted, and that's how to remove facial verification in Binance. If you found this helpful, give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.